So my synchronous state machine has 8 states. The first one is an initial state. That state goes directly to a state which turns light off when the button's not being pressed. And from that state, when they press the button, it should turn off while it's being pressed. And when they release, it goes to a state that says off when the button's released. So those 4 states allow for the user to hold down the button and have the light stay on or stay off depending on if they click it to turn it on or to turn it off. I also have a state that has a counter that increments to 100 on a 200 millisecond period, and this allows for the state machine to wait for 20 seconds, and during that 20 seconds, if it detects any motion, it'll go back to the state on when the button's released. And I have another state that if any time during those 20 seconds a button is pressed, it goes to that state, and when the button is released, it goes to a state that waits 10 seconds before this motion sensor can trigger the light again. Some difficulties I had while doing this lab was my push button wasn't working, and I spent a really long time trying to figure out what it was. It ended up being a wiring issue. This wire just wasn't in the board. And I put the LEDs into the wrong pins on my Arduino, so that was also an issue that I encountered. Some feedback I have about this lab is maybe provide like a video demo so that I know how to structure this video a little better, and that's it.